Hey everyone, Divyanshu here. You must have heard about mass energy equivalence relation, which was discovered by Albert Einstein in 1905 after so much research and a number of efforts. There are a number of proof of relation are already available on the internet and electronic stuff and in many books, but the one we are going to discuss is a kind of experimental behavior in which you can see what's going on inside and how is it working. The mass energy equivalence relation is not only a formula representation of a conservation between mass and energy, even it is much more than this. In our experiment, first we have to imagine a frame of reference in which I and you are there behaving as observer, and there is a box somewhere in the space with no interaction between box and the entire universe. The box is long enough so that at the one end of the box there is a light source and at the other end of the box there is an absorber material. When we turn on the light ray comes out from the one end of the box and start travel towards the other end of the box. According to Newton's third law, the light ray should push the box in the opposite direction, and due to which the box also starts moving. As we know, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, the momentum of the box and the momentum of the light ray should be equal. The momentum of the light wave can be defined as capital E upon C. Defining it as equation number A, the momentum of the box can be defined as mass times velocity of the box m into delta x upon delta t. We can define it as equation number B. In the delta t time, the box travels delta x distance, and due to this shift of the box, light ray is able to travel capital L distance only. Since delta t is the time taken by the light in traveling distance capital L, we can say that delta t is equal of the capital L upon C. By this value in equation number A and B, we can say that m delta x is equal of the AL upon C square, defining it as equation number first. But in our case, there is a problem that the box is moving without any external force, which is violating Newton's first law, according to which if there is any body which is in rest or in motion, it will remain unchanged until any external force is applied on it. But how the box is moving? Einstein told that the box is moving but the center of gravity of the system is unchanged. By this perspective, we can say that the position of the box is still unchanged with all other frame of references. Let the center of mass of the box was x1 and the center of mass of the light ray when it was just about to start was x2. In the initial condition, when the light ray was just about to start, the center of mass of the system can be defined as mx1 plus mx2 upon capital M plus small m, where the light ray reach at the other end of the box, it just neutralizes the momentum of the box and the system stops. But the center of mass is still unchanged with the new position of components of the system like box and the light ray. In this condition, the formula of center of mass can be written as m in bracket x1 minus delta x plus m in bracket x2 plus l whole upon capital M plus small m. Equating these two equations of center of masses with equal sign and solving, we can cancel out some terms and finally we can get m into delta x is equal of the m into L. Defining it is equation number 2. From the equation number 1 and 2, we can say that capital M into delta x is equal of the small m is equal of the EL upon C square. This equation can provide the result E is equal of the mc square, which is the most famous mass energy equivalence relation derived by Albert Einstein. There are a number of much more ways by which you can derive the same equation, which tells that if any system the mass is destroyed, the energy will constructed with respect to the destroyed amount of the mass, and if the energy is decreased of the system, the mass should be created somewhere in the system. This is the most beautiful relation which was introduced in 1905 and verified by a number of other theories and a number of experiments. It was all about mass energy equivalence relation. We will meet in any next video with a new topic. Till that time, keep watching, keep learning, stay safe. Thank you.